Peppa and George take good care of their teeth. They both brush their teeth twice a day. They pick up their toothbrush and toothpaste to put toothpaste on their toothbrush and brush their teeth in little circles. Round and round the brush goes. Pick a toothbrush. Cleaning the top, side, front and back of each tooth. Put toothpaste on the toothbrush. Help Peppa brush her teeth. George and Peppa eat healthy food, like cheese, carrots and leafy greens, to keep their teeth nice and strong. Help choose a healthy snack for Peppa and George. Every now and then they go to the dentist. Dr. Elephant gives their teeth a special cleaning. Both Peppa and George have healthy teeth.